How important is honesty in a relationship? Yan ang naging tanong ni Darla kay Donnie Pangilinan. Sagot ng aktor, very important. Kami ni Belle, trust and respect and honesty are all very important when it comes to our relationship. Without honesty, how can you communicate your needs, feelings, and opinions with your partner? You can't just sit there, be upset and mad about something and thinking that your partner is capable of knowing what is the problem. He and she doesn't have a magic ball in which he and she can look and receive a revelation as to what is wrong. If you are honest in a relationship, you can talk to your partner and say what is wrong when something is. Ask them how they feel, listen to them, and have a healthy communication about your relationship. Honesty as well as trust and respect enables them to all of that. Ay, grabe, humahanga na talaga ako kay Donnie. Sa mga sagot niya, kitang-kita mo sa kanya ang pagpapahalaga niya sa relasyon nila ni Belle.
Napakabangga.